I'd love to have my books be made into movies or movies for television. Everyone knows that there's nothing better for selling books and getting your work out to more readers and viewers than having it made into a movie or TV series. I think of my books, though, as books. When I'm writing them, I think of them as something that you're going to read. And my goal is to have the readers start a little movie in their mind, that on page one, the video starts flickering and the pictures emerge and the images emerge, and the people can decide what they want my characters to look like and what they want the background to look like and what their attitude would be and how, I would describe the characters. But I love the idea that my books offer a story that then the readers can create into their own movie. So when people say to me, "Oh, I loved your book. I loved Her Perfect Life. I could just picture that." I could just picture that. That's the best thing I could hear, because that means my books have started the reader's imaginations. So the books really aren't fulfilled until the reader reads them. That's when those words come to life. And they can come to life so gorgeously in each individual reader's own minds. Now, if a producer wants to use their brain and make my books into movies or series, that would be great. And they're incredibly cinematic. There's no question that they are. As a television reporter, we ask ourselves, what's my best video? What are the pictures I can use to get the viewers into this story? And that's exactly how I think about my novels. What's the video that I can use? What's the setting and the image and the action that I can use to draw the reader in? And that's what cinematic means. It means I could just see that. And that's what I'm going for every day in my books.